Namaste, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am the founder of Nisha Tutor. And do you know solving linear equations is an important and fundamental in algebra, so we will learn in deep. And here I am going to show you how to solve one-step linear equations, two-step, multi-steps, and general linear equations. Solving linear equations with fractions and decimals, formulas, variations, and much more. And we will learn here word problems also related to age, distance, speed type of distance, rate, and time, age problems, and numbers, geometry, so etc. So here lots of things. So let's begin. So here we are going to learn how to solve one-step equation. One-step equations are very easy, but here important thing how to solve, how to write. Okay, and before we are going to start these questions, here one most important thing, opposites, general rule of opposites. So what is opposite of addition? Subtraction. What is opposite of subtraction? Addition. And what is opposite of multiplication? Division. And what is opposite of division? Multiplication. Okay, so here 9 plus m equal minus 7. Here 9 adding here, or we can say plus 9. So what is the opposite of plus? Minus. So both sides subtract 9. Okay, because 9 minus 9 will be cancel out, or we can say 0. And here m, we can easily find out m value. Minus 7 minus 9 is minus 16. Okay, let's try this second question. Here 10 equal x minus 4. So here subtract 4. So what is opposite of subtraction? Addition. So add both sides 4. Okay. 10 plus 4, which is 14, equal x, and this is cancelled. Or we can write x equal 14. Let's check this answer is correct or not. So here x minus 4, it means 14 minus 4 is 10, and yes, we got 10. It means our answer is correct. Okay, let's do this next question. Here 13 a, it means 13 multiply a. Okay, so what is opposite of multiplication? Division, right? So both side divide by 13, and 13 cancelled by this 13, and here a isolate. Okay, minus 143 divided by 13. So answer is in minus, and 143 divided by 13 is 11. And we can check 13 times negative 11, which is negative 143. You can multiply. Okay, so we get minus 143, and yes, we got this answer. It means our answer is correct. Okay, now this question. Okay, here p divided by 20. Divided, so how to remove 20? Here 20 is dividing, so both side multiply. Okay, because what is opposite of division? Multiplication. So here both side multiply. Very simple question, just one rule. That means opposites: addition, subtraction, subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, division, multiplication. That's it. Okay, so here divide, so we have to multiply and cancel out. So P equal, here answer is in minus negative, and 12 times 20, 12 times 0 is 0, 12 times 2 24, and this is the answer. Okay, let's check. P value is 2 minus 240 and divided by 20. So yeah, this is minus 12. Okay, so our answer is correct. Okay, one more question. Here minus 17 times x. So 340 equal minus 17x. It means minus 17 multiply with x. So both side divide by what? 17 or minus 17? So here this is tip number 2. With multiplication problems, it is very important that care is taken with signs. If x multiply with negative, then we will divide by a negative. So negative 17. This is very important. Don't divide by positive 17. No, because here minus, we want to remove from here minus also, because we want to find out x value. Okay, so minus 17 divided by minus 17, we get x, and 340 divided by minus 17, answer is in minus 30, 17 times 2, 34, and 0. So what is x value? Minus 20. And you can check minus 17 times minus 20, answer is in positive. 17 times 0 17, 17 times 2 34, so we got 340. So yeah, this is correct, and this is the correct answer. Okay, if you any doubt, please email me, and if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.